Are you an experienced professional dreaming to work in the Gulf? In the next 6 minutes, I'll give you a step by step plan that actually works, including what I did to move from Dubai to Riyadh. So, I'll show you how powerful tricks I used that recruiters actually responded to. So, let's go. I'm Arshia Patel, giving you practical, no fluff advice for professionals moving into the Gulf. So, let's start with my short story. I came to Dubai on a tourist visa after getting married and started with applying on the naukrigulf.com, and I updated my resume and refreshed my profile daily even if it was a dot. When recruiters called, I said I needed sponsorship. I cleared the interview, left the UAE for visa stamping and returned back on a work permit. Employer paid for the tickets and the medical insurance. After 2 years in Dubai, I accepted an offer in Riyadh and moved. It's repeatable. Here's how you do it step by step. The next important step is to have a CV and LinkedIn which is Gulf ready. So for CV, you have to have 1 to 2 pages, top 3 lines with title, experience, and core achievements. Use role keywords like SAP, AWS, GCC experience if you have it. On LinkedIn, your headlines should be your role plus specialty. Your location should be target city and your updated city, which is current city. Small updates increase your visibility on LinkedIn. If you want a deeper understanding, I've already made separate detailed videos on LinkedIn optimization and Gulf standard resumes. Make sure to watch those videos completely. This will really help you. Next section is where to apply. It is very important to apply on all job portals like naukrigulf.com, babe.com, Gulf Talent, LinkedIn company career portals, and recruiters directly. Apply directly to companies, whereas the direct apps and the referrals will still hire the more experienced people. Let's talk about the smart application playbook. Apply to the roles which match 70 to 80% to your CV. Tailor your CV with the job's top 5 keywords and add a one-line cover note. Follow up regularly after 5 to 7 days with a short message. Next step is to network correctly. Networking is very important. Networking will help you connect with former colleagues, alumni, and in country professionals. Ask for a 10-minute informational call. Mostly people will say yes. A single referral can replace dozens of whole applications. Next section is very important: interview prep and the culture of Gulf. Use star kind of answers: situation, task, action, and result. Be punctual, respectful, and concise. In Gulf interviews, show clarity on reporting lines and KPIs. If asked about visa, please be honest. Recruiters will always prefer transparency. Let's talk about the visa and offer reality. Experienced hires are usually sponsored very easily by the employers. Expect visa stamping or exit re entry visa, which exist in some countries like Saudi but not in UAE. Employers commonly provide work permit, medical insurance, and even sometimes flight tickets for you and your family. Insist on a written offer with salary breakup, probation period, and sponsorship terms. Negotiation is a very important skill which you will learn with time and experience. Also, make sure that you get your contract terms very clearly identified in the first step itself so that it doesn't cause any issues in the later on stage. Let's talk about the daily routine which you should follow and the documents you should keep ready to fetch a job in the Gulf country. So 30 minutes you should give to the targeted applications, 15 minutes you give to LinkedIn outreach, 15 minutes go and do some skill refresh or certificate work. Keep these documents very ready: passport copy, degree, experience letters, reference contacts, and any certificates which you have. Also, try to get your degree attested from the university. Guys, if this helped you, like and subscribe, comment below which Gulf country and role you want. I'll reply with a tailored tip. If you want a CV template or a 30-second video CV script, say which one and I'll make it next. Good luck and see you in the Gulf.